Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are jumping into the exciting world of home decor trends. Making your living space look fantastic does not have to be rocket science. We all want a place that feel like our own, right? Well, stick around because we are about to unfold some super cool and most importantly doable ideas to give your home a fresh, stylish vibe. Whether you are a seasoned decorator or someone just starting, we have got something for everyone. Now, have you ever found yourself scrolling through Pinterest or Instagram, marveling at those picture perfect homes, and wondered how on earth do they do that? Don't worry, we are not alone. We are here to break it down. No fancy jargons or complicated stuff. Think of it as your go to guide for turning your space into a place that truly feels like home. So let's kick things off and explore the wonderful world of home decor together. Never ever notice how a room can feel totally different just by changing the color. It is like magic for your home. We are not talking about rocket science here, just the power of choosing colors that make your place comes alive. Think about it. Bold blues, warm yellows or soothing greens. These are not just colors, they are mood changes. You want your space to feel lively. Go for those vibrant reds and oranges. Want something calm? Blue and soft green got you back. Now, I know picking colors might sound daunting, but it is easier than picking what to have for dinner. We will chat about how to find the right mix without feeling overwhelmed. So get ready to paint your world with colors that not only look good but also make you feel good. Let's make your home a canvas of joy and warmth. Now imagine a lazy Sunday afternoon curled up on your sofa with a cup of tea surrounded by soft drinks. That is the goal. We will explore how to pick the right fabric and colors that not only look inviting but also feel like a cloud. From fuzzy rugs underfoot or to choosing the snugget throughs, we have got you covered. Because let's face it, who will not want their home to be a comfy sanctuary? So let's unveil the secrets to achieve that perfect cozy vibe without breaking the bank. Ever think about bringing a touch of nature inside your place? Well, adding something greenery to your home is a game changer. You get home after a long time and they're right in your living room. Are these lively plants instantly give you a breath of fresh air? It is not just about aesthetic. Plant can be your pulse, purify the air and create a peaceful vibe. Now, you don't need a green thumb to make this work. We are talking about low maintenance green buddies that will not play hard to get. From succulents that thrive on neglect to resilient snake plants, there is a leafy companion for everyone. This best part, you can find this green pulse at your local nursery or even the corner store. So let's dive into the world of plants and see how they can turn your home into a green haven without making your life complicated. Ever thought about jazzing up your space without burning a hole into your pocket? Well, you are in for a treat with some do it yourself dye decor hacks that are as easy as pie. Imagine turning everyday item into a unique pieces that schemes you. One super cool idea is creating personalized wall turn using old frames or even repurposed wooden pallets. Just grab some paint, let your imagination run wild and voila. You have got a masterpieces that reflect your style. Now let's talk about sprucing up those plain through pillows. No need to sprug on new ones when you can effortlessly give your existing ones a facelift. Grab up some fabric glue, Glues may be some old fabric scraps or even a funky old t-shirt, and get creative. Cut off interesting shape and quite stick him on, and suddenly on couch your is a statement pieces. These tie tricks not only add a personal touch but also make your space uniquely yours without breaking the bank. So why not roll up this those sleeves and let the creative vibe flow? Your wallet and your living room will thank you. Ever think about how your home feel well mixing furniture as it like giving it a warm hug? It is about combining different materials to make your space look and feel inviting. Imagine sinking your feet into a soft rug while laying against plush cushions on the comfy sofa. That is the magic of texture blend. Start with your basics, like a soothing leather couch pairing with a chunky knit shoes. These combos not only look stylish but also add a tactile dimension to your living area. Don't be afraid to mix it up with different fabrics, maybe some silky curtains against a rough brick wall. It is like a symphony of sensation for your home. So go ahead, experiment with textures and turn your space into a cozy haven that feels as good as it looks. So there you have it, folks. We have journeyed through the latest home decor trend, from splashy colors to snuggly comfort and everything in between. Remember, making your space feel like home does not have to be a complicated. Whether it is adding some greenery, trying out dye hacks, or picking up a standout piece, it is all about expressing your unique style.